Om Shanti. Is your minimalistic home a peaceful sanctuary or just a beautifully designed vacuum? We spend thousands removing physical clutter, buying neutral furniture, installing soft lighting, creating aesthetic spaces. Yet, the moment silence arrives, our mind becomes louder than ever. Notifications, anxiety, overthinking, the endless noise of modern life follows us into our perfectly designed rooms. But what if the problem isn't your space? What if the real clutter is inside the mind? Today, we are not decorating a house, we are designing the architecture of the soul, the friction of empty space. Minimalism become one of the biggest lifestyle movements of this generation. Clean walls, open spaces, geometric silence. But in 2026, many people secretly feel uncomfortable inside ultra minimalistic spaces. Why? Because when external distraction disappears, internal noise becomes impossible to ignore. The sterile silence of modern architecture acts like a mirror. It reflects our overstimulated minds, every unresolved emotion, every digital addiction, every anxious thought suddenly echoes louder in empty rooms. This is why some people feel strangely restless inside luxury minimalistic homes. Not because the space lacks beauty, but because the soul lacks stillness. Minimalism is no longer just a design trend, it has become a diagnostic tool for consciousness. The void as a portal to presence. But here's the hidden spiritual truth: empty space is not the enemy, it is an invitation to return to the presence. In Raj Yoga meditation, we learn something powerful. The mind constantly searches for stimulation because it has forgotten its original nature of peace. Modern architecture gives us an opportunity few generations ever had: stillness. The geometric silence of minimalistic design can become a scared meditation space. When you stop resisting silence, you begin hearing your inner self. The empty corner of a room becomes a portal. The soft weight of stillness in the air becomes grounding, and slowly your awareness shifts from body consciousness to soul consciousness. You stop identifying with stress, you stop identifying with chaos. You remember, I am not the noise of the world, I am the peaceful observer behind it. Cleansing the digital static. Today's homes are filled with invisible pressure: Wi Fi signals, smart devices, endless connectivity. Even inside silence, our nervous systems remain overstimulated. This creates what many spiritual teachers call digital static, a constant mental vibration that prevents clarity. But architecture itself can help heal the mind. Symmetry calms the brain. Natural light reduces mental heaviness. Open floor plans create psychological breathing space. And when paired with conscious meditation, the room itself begins supporting inner healing. In Raj Yoga, we practice radiant thinking. Thoughts become clear, organized, light filled. It's just like a beautifully designed open space. The mind slowly starts mirroring the architecture around. Cluttered thoughts dissolve, mental pressure softens, and inner silence becomes natural instead of uncomfortable, designing the internal sanctuary. Now the transformation becomes deeper because true peace does not come from owning a minimalistic home. It comes from building an inner sanctuary, a temple with consciousness itself. You can begin with small scared rituals. Touch natural wood mindfully before meditation. Sit quietly beside stone textures and focus on your breathing. Allow soft morning sunlight to become a reminder of spiritual awakening. Drink water with gratitude. Walk slowly through your room without checking your phone. These tiny rituals retrain the nervous system. Your home stops becoming a showroom and starts becoming a healing environment. Over time, the boundary between the room and the self becomes thinner. External stillness creates internal stillness, and inner healing begins happening naturally, not forcefully, not dramatically. but silently, like sunlight slowly filling an empty room. Preeminence of spiritual. So the ultimate goal is not escaping the world, it is carrying peace into the world because eventually you will leave your quiet room. You will return to traffic, social media, work pressure, human noise. Inside you will have changed. You have trained your consciousness, your silence strengthened your awareness. Your minimalistic space become more than aesthetic. It becomes spiritual preparation, a launching pad for clarity. Slowly, you stop reacting to chaos. You stop absorbing negativity. You remain centered even in overstimulation. Because the soul consciousness is no longer something you practice only during meditation. It becomes your natural state of being. So, maybe the purpose of minimalism was never to empty your home. Maybe it was to empty the noise that separated you from your true self. Because the most beautiful architecture is not built with concrete, glass, or wood. It is built with consciousness. And when the soul becomes still, even silence begins to feel. So, for more peaceful social journey, Raj Yoga meditation wisdom, and healing visual experiences, comment below. My inner sanctuary begins today. And share this video with someone who needs peace in a noisy world. Om Shanti.